Alright, how you doing, people? Look, I brought the GS racing truck back again after the last little incident we had out here. This is the piece I hit here, which made the car launch into the air. And what's happened here is it hit second gear, popped this out, which is the main drive for the front wheel drive, and it's bent all the housing inside, which made the belt bind, which made it run like it had the front brakes on. So I've managed to source the part, which is already assembled in the car, and that was no easy feat to get hold of, but I've managed to find it, being this 20 years old. But when it hit this, it launched into the air, which I'll show you just straight after this bit, and we'll give it another run and see if we can get a bit of a speed test out of it. Alright, let's finish off the speed run we tried to get on last time. It fell apart, it's been repaired, we're on to it. Alright, even put new radio gear in this. Look, we're running the radio link now. Had a bit of trouble with the AM radio I had in it, so we've had to upgrade the radio system. Whoa, 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 watch that mark there. It's where the jump was. Now let's see if we can get a bit of speed out of here today. Oh yeah. Whoa. Alrighty. Let's see what we did get out of it. First run, 80, it's not too bad. Whew, having some steering problems. I've got the wick turned up that much, it's pretty sketchy to drive. Trying to give it straight down here now. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, some good speed down here. There's that jump again. $81. Oh, we've probably done some damage again. I got no idea. We'll see if it still runs in a straight line. How to burn. Just lighten up the tyres. Oh, this poor truck's copping a beating today, I tell you. Yeah! Nice! Yeah! Nice! Nice. This definitely got damage this time. I think we might have taken it over the top.
So what we'll do is we'll call it on this truck, and I will bring back a different car in the following few days. 81's all it's got today. Yeah, that's all we've got. A little bit to the left.